There are so many items found in census records that give us those clues to more records. For example, real estate value, or maybe it says O for owned. This means that there are likely deeds to go find. So you may be able to find even a map with your ancestors noted on there, right? Mortality schedules means that you might be able to find death records or probate records to find. There could be wills to find. If there are children, remember to search the decades from one census record to another to compare records and the children. Using the children can help you verify that you have the right family unit. Also know that missing older children could mean that they've moved out or married on. So it could be that there is a marriage record to go find for one of the children. All right. How about age? The age obviously is an easy way to help estimate the birth year, but remember, age is the age at the time the census was taken. So note the enumeration date to give you that 365-day range for the birth date, thus calculating backwards for a possible date range. Okay. Now, the place of birth might also be the first clue that you have about where a person was born. Military service is another one. So several census records have a column about military service. And if you have an ancestor who served, there might be more records to find. Immigration is another one, which we all love. Might be an indicator that there are naturalization records to find. And then you could also have the parents of foreign-born parents, that is. Census records often include the birth of the mother and the father. However, knowing just the country is not going to be enough for you to jump the pond and begin your research in that country. To effectively find the records in the ancestral homeland, you will need to identify a specific district or a township or a county where your ancestors lived.